Today's story is from the Jamaican Proverbs Howdy and Tenku Nuh Bruk no square. Toby was a kind boy with a head full of dreams. One sunny afternoon, Toby found a hidden path in his backyard. It led to a whimsical forest with talking animals and sparkling streams. This was the Whispering Woods, where words held power. The trees whispered secrets to each other, but the forest was shrouded in a strange gloom. Toby was determined to find out what had happened. Toby encountered a wise old owl perched on a branch, its eyes twinkling with ancient knowledge. "Excuse me, kind owl?" Toby asked. "Why is the Whispering Woods so gloomy?" The owl replied, "The forest has lost its magic, young one, the magic of good manners. Kind words could make the flowers bloom and the streams sparkle. Rude words would drain the forest of its magic." Toby decided to use these magic words and bring back the forest's lost sparkle. Toby met a grumpy gnome guarding a dried-up stream. The gnome grumbled, making the forest even gloomier. Toby remembered the wise owl's advice about kind words. "Excuse me, Mr. Gnome," Toby said. "What happened to this stream?" The gnome was surprised by Toby's politeness. He explained the stream dried up because people stopped using manners. Toby asked the gnome to let the water flow again. Touched, the gnome muttered a few words. The stream gurgled back to life, sparkling under the sun. Spreading kindness like stardust. Word spread about Toby and his magical manners. Animals gathered, eager to learn simple words. Toby taught them catchy rhymes about please and thank you. The forest echoed with laughter and cheerful singing. Toby's transformation. Toby realized the magic words held power in his world too. He promised to use his manners every day, seeing the joy it brought to others. Toby remembered to say please and thank you. His home felt warmer and more loving. The magic of good manners made his world brighter.